You dropped your food. Gabriel, what you doing?
I'm playing.
Playing with what?
Playing with this.
See my pretty flowers Danny got me? 3 of them. I love you. Get it? Isn't that so sweet?
Yep.
It's from Mother's Day.
On Mother's Day. Yeah.
Logan loves his brother.
Yeah. Water.
Don't drink the water. It's icky.
Hey, there's fishies in there.
What?
There's fishies in there.
Yep.
Ooh, oh
There's no fishies, you goofball. I'm just playing with you. Logan, Gabriel, leave him alone. There's no fishies in there.
Two.
What's going on in here? What you doing, Piper? There's a kitty. What you doing, Cody? What you doing? They're getting along better now that Cody's realized that Piper's sticking around for good. What are you doing?
Wiping my face.
Wiping your face with a spoon?
I got water on it.
Got water on it?
I have pig on it.
Nah. Hey, Gabe, why don't you get down?
Bravo! Flower.
That is a flower. Look at her little princess collar. It is purple. My favorite color. Can I have some? Come. Come. Oh, no, you can't get it. No, 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 no. Pretty flower. You can't get it. Don't do that. Mm-hmm. Is that good? Is that yummy? Is that yummy?
Hey, I'm making some special soup.
You making some special soup? What are you doing, Missy? Chewing on your bone?
Yeah. Sweetie.
You're so big, Logan.
Yes, sweetie.
And Gabe, you're half my size.
This soup is good. It's good, Mom.
I'm glad. Hi, guys. right.
Red. Bingo.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.